Delight your pet with hydration innovation. Introducing the Be Happy Pet Water Fountain, a delightful blend of fun and functionality that ensures your furry friends stay hydrated in the most enjoyable way. Its charming bee-shaped design not only adds a playful touch to your home, but also encourages your pets to drink more water, promoting better health. Ideal for all dog breeds, this fountain is a must-have for pet parents who value both aesthetics and their pet's well-being. Whether you have a playful puppy, a curious kitten, or a serene senior pet, the Be Happy Water Fountain is suitable for all. Its universal design fits seamlessly into any home decor, and the sturdy plastic material ensures durability. You'll find this fountain to be a valuable addition to your pet care routine, providing endless clean water and amusement for your furry family member. Don't miss the opportunity to enhance your pet's health and happiness. Add the Be Happy 2L Quiet Pet Water Fountain to your cart now and watch your pet's excitement over their new favorite source of hydration.